So today I'm gonna make some snacks. So what we have is bread, and we have egg, and then we have cheese, and then we have breadcrumbs. I'm gonna fry the bread. So we're gonna put the cheese in the bread. So we are going to cut this bread into 4 pieces. So guys, we're gonna crack the egg. So we're gonna put the oil in the pan. I'm scared. So you have to make sure that you have pretty much oil because you need to shove the bread into the oil. We're gonna turn on the So we're gonna put the pan. Don't do this without the dough assistant. I think it's done, and we're gonna take it out, but I think my mom should help. The gas is done, and I'm gonna make it. So I think it's 10 out of 10. And the taste is spicy, and then crunchy, and then smooth. Maybe a little bit hard. Thank you for supporting us for all this time. We just reached subscribers. Thank you for all your support. I'm sorry.